So where's the best spot to pull carpet from in a closet? I'm going to show you the best spots today. Here we have a closet with a built-in unit. And if we're lucky, we can pull the carpet from underneath this platform. Oh, yes, we are. And you can see the carpet runs all the way through. So we'll pull it from the back end. And we could leave a hole if we wanted to, but we have some similar carpet here that we'll provide to go back in that spot. So even if they were to remove all this, you're still going to have carpet wall to wall. Now let's say you didn't have this nice little built-in and have some hidden donor area. Where would you take the carpet from? Well, let's look on this side. Okay, well, we have a built-in here and maybe a little more difficult to pry up. So let's say you had this as a wall and you're trying to figure out where would I be able to pull my carpet from that would be the least noticeable spot. Well, if you pull back and if you had all the clothes emptied out, where would be the least visible corner for you to pull from? If you figured it out, it wouldn't be the outside edges, but rather the inside right here. And notice how dark that is, just with the natural shadows that fall along this wall to this point. This corner will provide a great source to pull carpet from, and with all the different shading, if you have something remotely close, you can put that carpet back in place and it will hide very nicely, even when everything's emptied out. So this inside corner of a closet would be the best ideal spot to pull carpet from, unless of course you have a built-in where you can take it. Now I understand every closet's different. Some are small, some don't have that extra little wall that comes in to pull an inside corner from, and so every corner is exposed within that closet. You want to find the least visible spot, and sometimes you're going to have to make a compromise. But once again, this is a lesser of two evils so that you can use the same dye lot material to go back in your damaged area spots. Okay, I hope that helps, and give us a like, subscribe for more information, more videos. Take care, good luck saving carpets.